aspects watch over you.
I will be denied no longer. Come, champion. Let us finish the repairs.
Speak your mind. What is he doing?
Be swift, champion. I must claim the throne now.
Young Rathian, I owe you my thanks. Your help was invaluable in securing my rightful place on the Obsidian throne.
Oh, I believe you're mistaken. This throne, this legacy, is my birthright.
No. The mistake is yours. I was anointed caretaker of this flight by Neltharion himself. So let me be clear. When all is said and done, I will be the aspect of the Black Dragon flight.
Is that so? May the worthiest dragon win.
Is there something you wish to discuss? Learn from the past. Look to the future.